Stringy women like you live a long time. Sisters have seen all their husbands put under. More than likely you will, too. I don't want to see you end up somebody's fry cook.
I've been your fry cook for 40 years.
Pretty good one, too.
Getting chilly. Come on in, have a cup of coffee.
I'll be